Hi World Explorers, we are in
very crowded city.
We are in Thessaloniki. We came here just for a quick stop on our way to get the boat to Italy. I was reading that if you don't have a long time to be in Thessaloniki, where there's lots of things to see, at least one of the things you should do is come on the waterfront, where there is a famous white tower. Yeah. We're gonna go up the tower so we can get a better view of Thessaloniki. We're climbing up the steps of the White Tower here in Thessaloniki.
Oh, window.
Look at me.
You're going in there?
Luca.
Oh, fan.
In 1917 there was a big fire here in Thessaloniki, and like most of the city burned down except the upper part.
No wonder it's made of rocks. The one that's made of wood, and no wonder it didn't burn down.
Everything burned.
How do rocks burn? They're made of rocks.
Look.
How'd they get video at this time?
There's this area called Annapolis, which is the one that was the original Thessaloniki. It's still there because it didn't burn down.
Oh. Watch your head, GoPro. Oh, GoPro. I think you should wash your head. Oh. I didn't say wash your head. I said watch your head. There's a difference in words, GoPro. Learn grammar. Okay?
No.
Next time you learn grammar, the faster you learn grammar, the less you bump your head. Okay?
Yeah.
GoPro.
They're the easiest step in on.
They are the easiest
To
step.
go up on the tower.
Yeah. Emma, we don't want to see your butt. We want to see Luca's butt.
What?
Luca's butt is cuter. Sorry, the light is very bad in the GoPro.
Oh,
now.
he represents this area? The roads or? Yeah, yes. The name of the center of the city, yes. Ah, okay.
This is where you are now.
Oh, that's where the tower is. Okay. Makes sense.
Watch your. I said watch this time, even clearer, GoPro. Seriously, stop doing this. Oh, Mommy, they're pulling me apart. Never stay here. I can catch you behind. Oh, we should go on that ship, right?
Yeah.
Okay, GoPro, this time just. You know what? Whatever. Mama just said, Cosmo,
Go slow.
Cosmo, smile. Because I'm behind the camera, I was like, right?
He was so serious.
But I told her, it's not like I have a camera pointing at my face. I don't have to be smiling like, And yes, I have a camera on my face, but it's not pointing at me. Ooh, coins.
Luca's going from one fan to another.
He is. Does it remind you of anything? A boot.
It's probably tomorrow, but.
Oh, this is actually nice. I'm gonna go in here. Go. Look at the view. Oh well, we break the laws sometimes.
Okay, come back here. So this tower is on more levels, and on each level there seems to be like a little museum, which is in Greek. So if you actually want to understand what it says, you need to get those guides. They're like little phone guides.
And you can sit down.
These things are cool.
The White Tower was built in 1535, and it's the landmark of Thessaloniki. It used to be called the Blood Tower because people used to be put in prison there, and there was a lot of people that have been killed and tortured in this tower.
I just don't get why they
But in 1890, one of the prisoners offered to paint the whole tower white in exchange for his freedom, and from then on the tower has been kind of white. Now it's getting a little
This guy did a
yellow.
good paint job. So you're saying that this guy, he painted the whole tower
Yeah, he painted
by
the-
himself?
I guess that's what I read.
Wow, that guy's got some painting skills.
So he painted
He
it,
should've been the
took
one
away the red of the blood and all that. And now it's the white tower. And we're still not to the top. These must have been the cells,
Oh, hey, this is a pretty nice cell.
which would make sense. So I could just leave you guys in these cells.
What?
If you don't behave. They all have the...
Bars. I mean, they could have open and see if you jump off.
Yeah, too. They're clearly not your height, Cosmo.
Little Lucas hat. Oh, you know why they have the bars? So another person doesn't come and say, "Hey, see ya, partner."
Hey guys, welcome to the top of the tower. The White Tower of Thessaloniki. In case you don't know where we are in Greece. There's the flag. And here are my kids. There's a pirate ship! Oh no!
We are pirates.
Oh, you got off the ship then?
We are pirates. No, we didn't. Pirates of the Caribbean.
The pirate ship is leaving without you, Luca.
No, don't leave us!
We escaped from this here white tower, and we are now going back in. Oh no, God! Save myself! That one. There's 95 steps, but there's 2 over there, so if you count them, it's 97.
And once you go up, then you have to go
Down!
So it's way too hot to go tour the whole city, but there is a lot to see here. There is a bunch of ruins. We are going to drive by a couple of things, but we're going to show you from the camper van and not going down. It's worth it. And Thessaloniki seems like a really interesting city. Okay, so we're jumping off the camper van because on the waterfront there is also a few interesting statues, like this one called, let me take a wild guess, the umbrellas. And why is it called the umbrellas, Emma?
What? Why?
Because there's the umbrellas.
Oh. So guys, today we are here, well, right now, we're here visiting the umbrellas of umbrellaness because they're so umbrella-y. They're very pretty because they are umbrellas hanging in the sky like birds. Birds don't float like that, man, just in the sky. But anyway, speaking of umbrellas, we've noticed a lot of things, that there's a bunch of locks on these umbrellas. Like, a lot. At least in each umbrella there's one. Well, I mean the ones you could reach. The ones up there, probably not. But I'm surprised that people are actually putting locks. I mean, it's super cool. I didn't think that you would put locks on these umbrellas. It's a very interesting factor to know. That one has a lot. And here is Luca jumping for a photo.
Jump!
We escaped from this here place called Alcatraz. Greek-a-trash.
Wrong country.
No, it's called Greek-a-trash.
Once
This
again,
prison.
wrong country.
We escaped it. Greek-a-trash! What's the name of this prison?
Mas is loving how we're driving in all these tight roads again.
Yes, I'm loving really good.
So Thessaloniki is not exactly the place to drive with a camper van, probably.
Huge house.
Yargy mateys, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, ding, and you'll get a parrot delivered right to your door. Look at that. Caca! Make sure to follow us on Instagram and other things that are piratey.